In this lecture, we are going to discuss profitability ratios. As you know, we have already seen the financial statements. What you can do is you can go to any of the financial statements or a report of any organization and then check out their ratios, put them in different equations and see what are the results. Let's start with the profitability ratios. Cash debt coverage ratio. The formula for cash debt coverage ratio equals cash flow from operations minus dividends divided by total debt. Now you can always find the cash flow from operations. As probably you remember, when we were analyzing the financial statements, we have seen the cash flow from operations. You can also find out the dividends which have been paid. You can deduct the dividends from there and then divide it by the total debt, which is also given in the reports.